Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina, and we are by appointment only. Best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2006 Merhow, very light. That means all aluminum. Back then, that's what very light meant. So it's an all aluminum 4-horse, 15-foot short wall. This trailer was definitely ordered for somebody back then. It's got a lot of upgrades. So I'm going to kind of go through it. Cosmetically, on the outside, it does have some blemishes, but they are cosmetic. So solid trailer, excellent condition. It really is a testament of how solid Merhow trailers are and how they hold up over time, and how they the horse box actually holds up as well. So this is a great I guess representation of the brand. So this is a 2006 8415 all aluminum very light Merhow. It does have a stainless nose. It is 8 wide, no mangers. 8 wide, no mangers, which is unique, so those were deleted. It is 7'6" tall. It does have a hydraulic jack, 2 propane tanks, a lockable aluminum battery box. So the first cosmetic damage would be if you see that the coloration is kind of gone down to the aluminum around that window. It's 100% superficial. I have no idea what happened, but the aluminum is showing through, which really tells me that the paint got kind of thin. That's my guess. There's no dents or anything there. This trailer is fully extruded, and what that means is that ribbed aluminum underneath all the windows and all the way up the front of the trailer. So that is an added addition. That just gives it a little bit more structure, integrity, and a little bit more strength, and definitely protects your sidewall when you have horses tied to the side. It's standard in most Merhows from the escape door back, but this has front to back. Has an escape door with a slider window. It does have a hay rack. It has 3 drop down windows with bars. Again, no mangers. And this is a slide trailer. So, full disclosure, it had a generator. There is no generator on this trailer anymore. It was done at the factory, so it does have an onboard start and all the wiring harness. So you could put another generator on it. The platform is there still on the top of the hay rack, towards the back on the right there, below the behind the ladder. So a generator could easily be put back on this trailer. Currently does not have a generator, but has everything to put one back on it. So it does have a ladder. That's a pretty big hay rack. It does have a rear ramp. It does have a collapsible rear tack. It does have a drop window on the rear back door. It has, well, I don't know why, 3 saddle racks, not 4. So there's only 3. Horsebacks, like I said, is in immaculate shape. You'll see that the stud divider looks that it's leaning. It actually does perfect when you shut the door, which I will shut it. Fully lined and insulated. Roof vents all the way across at the head side of each horse. It's got lights on the inside. It does have drops all the way down the backside horses. So you've got drops with bars on the backside. Rubber is all good in this trailer. There might be, there's one little scratch place there. No big deal. But all in all, this trailer is in excellent shape. Now I'm going to show you something. We weigh the trailers with the interiors. Back then, the interiors were outsourced. So the empty weight of the shell of this trailer is 7,832. That is the shell. That is not the empty weight of this trailer. Back then, they did not build their own interiors. So just to show you that that lower divider does just fine once it's shut completely. And that is a full divider. So that goes all the way to the top. Now, as you can see, this trailer is huge, big, open space. If you needed to haul big draft horses, lots of room without the mangers. If you needed to haul a side-by-side, lots of room without the mangers. So this trailer becomes multi-use and actually can work for a lot of different things. So padded dividers. These back two are not airflow. The first one is airflow. I'm sure that was something they wanted, because we've always had airflow dividers. So they probably want head dividers where horses couldn't see each other in this trailer. 2 tie rings per horse in the top there at the head side. Sorry for the squeaking. Anyway, solid horse box. Excellent shape. Just wanted to show you the integrity of Merhow and how they withstand over time and use. Again, you can kind of see the wiring harness and the gas line and everything in here for the generator, so it all is there. You can see the platform there on the top. Again, it has drop windows. Back doors have a couple of stains on them. I can't really show the other one because the ramp's down, and I got the other one, got a little dent, scratch here. I mean, this is an 06. You're gonna have some cosmetic damage on the outside, nothing major, nothing extreme. It actually has 2 ladders, interestingly enough. So it's got 2 ladders, one here on the driver's side, or one here on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. So 2 ladders on this particular hay rack. It does have an awning. One other thing, there was damage due to an awning coming off the trailer. So you'll see here, it's kind of a dent and a scuff, and that was from an awning coming off the trailer at some point in its life. There's a little discoloration here on the top of the white. And the white's kind of dingy, I mean, that's kind of all I'm gonna say. I mean, it's really not in bad shape considering its age. Fully extruded, that definitely helps. And the door is kind of dark. I mean, I don't know how to explain it other than it's just not bright white anymore. This side of the trailer is not bright white, and that door is not bright white. Again, the extrusion really helps that. So stepping in the LQ, this is a 15-foot LQ. This has a slide. The slide is out. It has a dinette. The dinette does make a bed. So back then, different companies did the interiors. This was a double duty conversion. Evidently back then, double duty conversion is who did this conversion. Looks like to be real wood cabinetry door fronts. So super nice cabinetry in this trailer. Cabinets for days. Back then, cabinets were a big deal. They're not nowadays. So tons of cabinet space. Cabinets all the way in the left here of the bed, on the right here of the bed, the 2 above the nose. We've got a corner cabinet here, TV outlet hookup. Corner cabinet here with all the books. So we've got cabinet after cabinet after cabinet. Slide box even has 3 cabinets there above the slide box. It is a rear kitchen. It does have a 3-burner gas top, and it actually does have a oven. So 3-burner gas top and oven. Double sinks, microwave. It is a ducted AC propane furnace. And like I said, cabinets everywhere. Big fridge. You've got cabinets here, hanging cabinet with storage below. And then if you turn to the other side, we've got drawers and cabinets here as well. All that's hanging space, drawers. Again, they didn't do cabinets. They don't, excuse me, do cabinets like they do now. No, I said that backwards, y'all. They don't do cabinets anymore like they did in this particular 06. Big open floor space. Stepping back to the bathroom, back then they definitely left the window looking into the horse box out of your walk-through door, so you can have more light, natural light that way. It does have a corner octagon shower, sink and vanity. Toilet cabinet behind that toilet. Nice cabinet space, gosh. Can't say enough about the cabinet space. It's nice. Looks like it's got a fantastic fan. Pocket door to the bathroom, which is super nice, solid. So again, this is an 8415 2006 Merhow. Excellent shape. Okay, guys, again, 8415 2006 Merhow, very light. That means all aluminum. I'll have the actual estimated empty weight on the website on the ad. You kind of do a conversion of the short wall times 200. You add that to that 7,000 shell weight in the back, and there you go. So I'll have that for you. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. You guys have a great day.